H makes the sound of. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet.
G makes the sound of. H makes the sound of. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the.
G makes the sound of. H makes the sound of. Sing the song so you don't forget how to say alphabet.
G makes the sound of. H makes the sound of. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet.
G makes the sound of. H makes the sound of. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. G makes the sound of. H makes the sound of. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet.
G makes the
Sound of. H makes the sound of. Sing the
song so you
don't forget
how to say
the alphabet.